Vicky, what are you doing? What are you doing in there? Can you fit in there? Uh-huh. I don't know. I have a feeling you don't fit very well in there. Huh? Victoria? Yeah? Okay. What else? Oh. Is that the coming out party? Huh? But that's not the kind of coming out party I thought you were gonna have. No, that's the coming out of the what is that? What is that? That scratcher? Huh? Yeah, was that coming out for you? Vicky? Victoria? Vicky? You're a cutie. You like doing that? Uh-huh. What's going on with you? That was your sister. That was your sister, Selena, yeah. Vicky? Oh, goodness, look at you. Vicky? You're too busy doing that, huh? Victoria? Hey. Victoria? Vicky? Victoria? Oh, having fun with that? Yeah? Oh, boy. I wish I could have that. That sounds good. Selena, you want to talk? No, she don't talk? That was funny. You talking for Selena? No, you shouldn't do that. Let her talk for herself. Huh? Victoria? Are you pretty? Are you a pretty girl, Victoria? Uh-huh. I think so, too. Yeah, I do. Boy, are you getting into that, aren't you? Oh, let's go back. Yeah, try the top one. The top one's good, too. No? You done? Victoria? Are you done? Oh, you're gonna do that?
What's the problem with Victoria?
Victoria? Where are we going? Uh-huh. What? Uh-huh.
Hello.
Victoria? Yeah? You're done with your whatever talking? You done? Hi. You want to talk to anyone? You want to tell anybody? No, you don't want to talk to anybody. Oh, there's Fifi. Fifi, do you do any talking? No, I don't think you do. Victoria's our talker of the group. Selena? No. Victoria? Hi. Okay, you're all done. I'm done. See you later.